Hi children, welcome back. Today we are starting with a new chapter, that is chapter 6. Be my multiple, I'll be your factor. In this chapter we will be discussing about factors and multiples. You have already learned what is factors and multiples last year. This year we are going to go a little more deeper into the topic. Now in this video 1 we will be discussing about the topics factors and common factors. Now what is a factor, children? The numbers that are multiplied to find its product are called its factors. That is, the numbers that are multiplied to find its product. What do you mean by product, children? Product means the answer that you get after multiplying. So the numbers which you use for multiplying, suppose you take an example, 2 into 3. What is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So that 2 and 3, I can say they are the factors of 6. 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So I can say 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. So the numbers that we are using for multiplying, those numbers are called factors. Okay. Now we are going to do some questions based on that. Find the factors of the following. Children, when you are finding out the factors, you have to be very careful that you don't miss out any of the factors. So what we will do is, we will start from 1. 1's table where you get 16. We know 1 into 16 is equal to 16. Okay. Then you go to 2's table. 2's table where you get 16. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Yes. Now you go to 3's table. 3's table, do you get 16? No. 4's table? Yes. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. You go to 5's table? No. 6's table? Do you have 16? 7's table? No. 8's table? Again, yes. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So we are not going to write that again. Okay. We are not going to write that again because we have already written 2 into 8 is 16. So you can stop over there. So you can write the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4. I'll write 4 only once. I no need to write it 2 times. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. I'll go in this order so that I don't miss out any factors. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Clear? So we'll go to the next one. 30. What are the factors of 30? Start from 1. 1 into 30 is equal to 30. 2's table, where you get 13? 2 into 15 is equal to 13. Children, at least till 15's table you should be thorough. Okay? 2 into 15 is equal to 30. If you don't know where you're getting, what you can do, you can divide 30 with 2 and find out what is the quotient. When you divide 30 with 2, you'll get 15. So you can write 2 into 15 is equal to 30. Now coming to 3's table, we know 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Then 4's table, do you have 30? No. So go to the next one. Yes, 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Then coming to 6's table, again we know 6 into 5 is 30. So we don't have to write that. So I can write over here, the factors of 30 are, factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay, so this is how you find out the factors. See to that you don't miss out any factors. So start from 1, check for 2, check for 3, go on like that till you get a repetition. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 questions for homework, that is 24 and 36. Okay, now we are moving on to the next topic, that is find the common factors of the following. Here also what we will do, we will find out the factors of both the numbers. From that you will take out the common factors. So, what are the factors of 20? 1 into 20 is equal to 20. 2's table, do you have 20? Yes. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Now 3's table, do you have 20? No. 4's table? Yes. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Now 5's table? Yes, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So we don't need to write it again. So write down the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Okay. Next one, 30. Find out what are the factors of 30. We have already found out in the previous question. 1 into 30 is equal to 30. 2 into 15 is equal to 30. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. 4 into, we don't have. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Just now we have done this, factors of 30. So, what are the factors of 30? The factors of 30 are, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay. Now, we will see which are the common factors. Which are the common factors? Common factors are, you have 1, then 2 is common, 5 is common and 10. So, there are 4 common factors for 20 and 30, that is 1, 2, 5 and 10. Understood? You on to the next one, 12 and 24. First find out what are the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12, children? 1 into 12, we know it is 12. 2 into which number? 6, that is equal to 12. Okay? Then 3 into 4 equal to 12. Again coming to 4's table, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, so you don't have to repeat it. So you can write down the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Now, factors of 24. 1 into 24 equal to 24. 2 into 12 equal to 24. Then 3's table, where you get 24? 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Children, if you don't know when 2's table where you get 24, what you can do? Divide 24 with 2 to find out. Okay. But I request you all, you should know the tables at least till 50. So 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Three into 8 is equal to 24. Now coming to 4's table, 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Then 5 into, we don't have. Again 6. 6 table, yes, 6 into 4 equal to 24. So you can write down the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay. Now we will see which are the common factors. Common factors are, which are the common factors? 1. Children, 1 will be surely there in all the questions because we know 1 is a factor of every number. So, in common factors, surely 1 will be there. So, common factors are 1, 2, 3 is common, 4 is common, 6 is common and 12 is common. So, the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Understood? So, this is how you find out common factors. First you find out the factors of both the numbers and then find out the common factors. This is one method of finding out common factors. I will give you 2 questions for homework. Question C 32 and 28 and question D 25 and 35. Do it as a homework. Now we will move on to some notes. First note, as I told you, 1 is a factor of every number. It is also the smallest factor of a number. 1 is a factor of every number and it is also the smallest factor of a number. Then, every number is a factor of itself. Suppose you take this example, 12. 12 is a factor of 12 itself, right? There you have 24. 24 is a factor of 24 itself. Also, they are telling one more thing in that. It will be the greatest of all the factors. Check this example. See, 12. 12 is the greatest of all the factors. 24. 24 is the greatest of all the factors. Third point, the factors of a number is less than or equal to the number. That we have already seen the second point. We said the number. Every number is a factor of itself and it is the greatest of all the factors. So from that it is understood the factors of a number is always less than or equal to that number. You take the same example, 12. All the factors of 12 are less than 12 or equal to 12. You take the factors of 24. All the factors of 24 are less than 24 or equal to 24. Okay? And the last point, every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. Every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. What do you mean by at least 2? At least 2 means 2 or more. Okay? So every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. Understood, children? Thank you.